of where it's going to go, so always helpful to have a knee. Watch now, some amputee is going to be like, oh, it's not fair. There's going to be comments. These things shouldn't cost an arm and a leg. But sometimes they do. Okay, welcome back everybody. We got some mail. We actually got these a long time ago. And forget what the... I guess it's Farron is the name of the company. It's on the box. They wrote me and said, do you want to try our lights? And I'm still a dealer for Oxedo, but I said sure. Said I wanted to get some replacement bulbs for these. So they sent me some H1s. I told them it was H1. And they sent me this. Comes with a roll of tape, 2 bulbs, this big old honkin' whatever it is, and there ain't no way in hell that's going to fit in there. So I wrote them back and told them there ain't no way in hell it's going to fit in there, politely. Conversation degraded quickly with things like, well, why don't you just put it in the housing? Why don't you just hang it behind the housing? Yeah. The bulb itself won't physically fit. Not even mentioning whatever this is. And if I was to run this and hang it out back, I would. What would I have to do? I'd have to cut the wires and run them through, and no. So the conversation degraded. Then they wrote me again. Months. It's been months. I think it's been months. Months later, asking if I want to try out something else, and I said sure. And they got back, well, we already sent you something and you didn't review it. Here's your review. This sucks and it won't work. Now, I went on Amazon and just absolutely by random got another box with Farron on it. So we're going to review this one too. This one comes with gloves, as you can see. Where's the bulb? Comes with little clips that I'm not going to need. And here is the bulb. Let's compare. We'll do a side by side here. Can you see it? I told them it was the wrong bulb. They apparently didn't comprehend the concept that it was the wrong bulb. So anyway, I paid for this one. And that one should fit. And we're going to find out. Because if it doesn't fit, I'm going to be pissed. Free LED upgraded program. What? Oh, you could be a VIP customer and upgrade your account and get a chance to buy something to replace what you already bought. Let's get a baseline. Okay. Here are the stock halogens. They work good. They're nice bulbs. But I think we can do better. Let you get the view, and we'll compare it after we swap them out. Now that we got the bulbs hot. Okay, now for my particular application, and obviously it's not going to be the same. These are Zitz lights, cats. I don't know. There's something in the glass. I can't make it out. We got the number 2 communist hex wrench. I haven't had this one off yet. I tried to put it in the other one. I took that one all apart, thinking those bulbs would fit, and then I opened the box. I'm like, it's on camera. It's on the channel somewhere. I don't know where, but so there's my my broken thermostat fix. For anybody curious, it does work. thermostat's stuck open in this, and I haven't been willing to make the mess required to change it. I really wish that I had it changed when the Jeep was all apart getting its frame rebuilt, but I didn't. Okay. Give it a little pokey. Come on, wires. Oh, now we can hear. Okay. Get the pliers out. A little better grip, maybe. Put the knee there just in case I lose it. Oh my god. I probably could have left that on there. There we go. Okay, here comes the part that everybody is probably going to want to see. Down and in, and then this clip comes up and out. Stay there. Okay, so then we'll take the bulb out. Which is not easy. We'll put it in there for safekeeping. Well, this does have a flat spot on one side, and I didn't pay attention to which side it came out, so we're gonna guess. Alright, then we're gonna put the clip on here, go up. While holding it up, I'm gonna rotate these over and down and out and down and out. Okay. Eats. See, maybe cats. Maybe it's cats. On the new one, we're going to put this back here. And we're going to put the bulb back. And we got to get these tabs. I get these tabs lined up with the hole. And you can, I don't know if you can see, but you can see a little bit of where it's going to go. So always helpful to have a knee. Watch now, some amputee is going to be like, oh, it's not fair. There's going to be comments. These things shouldn't cost an arm and a leg. But sometimes they do. Where's the hole? That's what she said. I think it's going in. That's what she said. There's definitely a sticky spot in those threads, that's for sure. Will it work? Will it work? It's not working? Or is it working? I can't tell. What the hell? Why are they so dim? Seriously? Oh, that's disappointing. Oh, that's horrible. This is not what I expected. I don't know. I might be putting the halogen back in. What a difference. Oh, that's terrible. Wow, that is horrible. Okay, I'm going to put the halogen back in. Good grief, not only are these people miserable to deal with, but their product sucks. Wow, I forget what I paid for these, but is what it is, I guess. I'm stuck with them now. That is, oh, that's horrible. That's a downgrade. Oh, that's horrible. I'm so disappointed. Alright, well, let's change it back. Every time I try to upgrade these lights, it just goes horribly wrong. This is the third time, I think. that I've tried to upgrade these lights. My only issue with the halogens is I keep blowing fuses. Okay, down and in, down and in, flip it over, lay it like that so I know which way. Flat spots on the right. Stay. Gotta get that knee in there. I think I'm going to tag this company too, just to let them know that I did review their crap, and it's crap, and it doesn't work, or it's just horribly disappointing. And now this video has cost me money instead of making me money. Alright, let's try it again. Back to the halogens. Yeah, that's better. What a disappointment. Okay, well, if you see these on Amazon or wherever you're shopping for bulbs, don't buy them. They suck, as you saw. Longer lifespan. Off-road. How the hell are you supposed to see anything with that candle off-road? That's the end of the video. If you liked it, subscribe. I think I just saved you some money. Or a headache, maybe. Hopefully. I'm going to put right here what I paid for those bulbs. Alright, anyway. Next project's... I don't know yet. It could be another plasma cutter. I've got 2 of them sitting in there that I need to review. It could be the thermostat. I don't know. Stay tuned.